Does Germany recognize their marriage?
Yes.
I guess they would. It's a German marriage certificate.
Yes. But Ghana judiciary court system is trying to say that they're not accepting.
So the property or assets that are in Ghana are the ones that she will have the problem with.
She will have the problem with because they haven't buried him yet.
Okay, so CIA mensaka document bi a expose court system and afi judge no what na case ya between Mami Akosia Sewa and then Presla Otobroni any ebusapani ejawusu me no say stay here na me nkyere wade say case no at international court team legal force case no what they call ICC and I'm going I had the reason show. Now, also be a cassette. Oh, lawyer no, onya dear. Now, sir, filing the right procedure. Me catch him say me, and son of my yard be a minya to call him. Now, my boy crata the court on. Me my boy ho. Dear no more cassette. Right procedure. I am tell you, say, I show you this document, say it was notarized, authenticated in Ghana. This is interesting. I had the reason so. You remember life. But lawyer Kusi, why didn't you ma? Court also can ask him. Yeah, can you be the asam. Krata that's what say lawyer Kusi or authentication of the marriage certificate. Interesting. And then our live interview, all the reason show. Now, Tim legal for say omri case ni called the ICC International Court embrem asisi yaba onim nyabotre follow the reasons on na member life enche within less few minutes nebetie yene lawyer Kusi wo live interview because me saka krata bi me kubusa nsa yampa efri no ho I hide the reason show video we.
I'm here to see international lawyer, so we're going to explain everything to him. And then he will let us know what route we should take. So this lady's husband died. That's the lady. Mm-hmm. That's we are petitioned. The husband is mess. So at this point, she is the legal wife, and we did a petition to they're not accepting the marriage certificate. Like I brought my marriage certificate here to America, and they accepted it. Ghanaian judiciary system saying that you have to go to a right channel for us to know that to validate the marriage certificate.
Okay, so it's a German marriage
certificate, yes.
Okay.
So we did a petition to a German embassy in Ghana, trying to get them to validate it, the marriage certificate for her, so that she can be the co-widowhood.
Yes.
Right.
So she's entitled to
everything.
The husband's estate.
Yes. Yeah. Instead of the side chick, the mistress is trying to fight her. So at this point, we have meetings, we have petition done. I have the petition here, and we don't know what to do. So I said, I know I have a good lawyer here that can talk to her in case that it happens to one of us here. At least we know who to come and talk to or what we should do. But right now, do we need international lawyer to help us with this petition to get the validate my certificate in Germany, or it can be anywhere? I'm trying to pull that.
So the problem is that, well, is most of his property is in Germany, isn't it?
Yes, and Ghana too.
And in Ghana too.
Yeah.
Well, does Germany recognize their marriage?
Yes.
I guess they would. It's a German marriage certificate.
Yes. But Ghana judiciary court system is trying to say that they're not accepting it.
So the property or assets that are in Ghana are the ones that she will have the problem with.
She will have the problem with because they haven't buried him yet. The body is still there in the mortuary or wherever.
The body is still in Ghana.
In Ghana, yes. And probably.
Actually, it would seem like Germany, that Germany ought to be
part of this.
Yeah, well, yeah, that some representative that I would.
She should get
They
help
would like to go to the German embassy in Ghana
in Ghana.
and say, what can you need to convince Ghana that this is a valid marriage,
Thank you.
so that they will recognize it. I mean,
That's how I feel too.
but I don't, and it wouldn't seem to me that if it wouldn't seem to me that that would require a lawyer necessarily.
No, it shouldn't be. So if
Germany
this,
has they have a valid stake in recognizing that a German citizen married a naturalized German citizen, right?
Yeah.
From Ghana.
from Ghana,
And that their German marriage needs to be recognized as valid by Ghana.
yeah,
That would be
no
would be
problem.
German embassy business. That they're the ones that should be working on that.
That's what I thought too. Because if it was an American and it happened to one of us or
Yeah.
me,
Yeah.
American embassy was supposed to be the one in taking care of that because I'm a naturalized citizen here.
Yeah.
Probably before you come in. Before you come in, there will be American embassy taking care of that. If it was America, if it was here.
No, it seems to me that the legality of a German marriage ought to be defended by the German government.
Thank you. That's what I thought too.
Yeah. That and that's where I would take this problem. I don't know.
So you think our petition that we did, now we are 21,000 right now. You think we did a petition to German embassy, like it's German embassy.
Oh, okay.
So you think that will validate it? Like we wanted to.
Well, I don't know what
we shouldn't have gone this even route.
I don't know what the obstacles would be. I think if you had people in the German embassy that were vigorously pursuing it and leaning on whoever the bureaucrat in Ghana who's saying, "Oh, we're not going to recognize that." Why the hell would they not recognize it? Do they not believe that the documents they were presented with were valid? That's what the German government can confirm. But if they're just being difficult for no reason and are they going to hold their hand out and say, "Well, for a bribe, we'll recognize it"? No, is that the way it works? I mean,
Ghana is corrupt, so anything is possible.
Yeah, that may be what they're waiting for. No, we're not gonna recognize that until you pay us off or something. I don't know, but I think if as long as you're treating this as a legitimate, that everybody is being legitimate in this, then I would think that Germany would have, separate from her, they would have an interest in Ghana recognizing a valid German marriage, and that they would not want to be, don't give us this bribe me nonsense or anything else like that.
Right.
This is a simple thing, and we have the proof. You need to recognize the proof, or the next time Ghana needs something from Germany, you might have some problem. If you could get it up to that level, then I would think that whoever this bureaucrat, and it's hard to believe that you're just sort of thinking, yeah, they're waiting for somebody to pay them off, maybe.
It sounds like it, because this shouldn't be a problem. If it was
someone needs to go to the German embassy and find somebody to get interested in doing something. Because that's why there is a German embassy.
Yes, everywhere.
Yeah, that's my thought about it. I'm gonna ask my wife.
Oh my God, let your wife come into this.
Well, I'm just gonna say, do you agree that that's where this problem ought to be solved? And I bet she would say yes. But I am gonna run it by her if she.
Thank you. I don't think we need a lawyer to do that. I think German embassy is supposed to be doing the job by validating it. Oh, you too. Yay! Did you guys hear it? I'm telling you, something is not right in Ghana. German embassy have to do something about this case. Otherwise, we didn't even need a lawyer. We do not need a lawyer for this to be validated. telling you guys. This is coming from an international lawyer.